Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court agrees to hear plea challenging grant of interim bail to YSR Congress MP's son in the Delhi Excise Scam case. Karnataka High Court quashes criminal proceeding against B.S. Yediyurappa in land denotification case. Delhi Court exempts LGVK Saxena from personal appearance in defamation suit filed by Medha Patkar. NCW Chairperson Rekha Sharma writes letter to Registrar General of the Madras High Court to address lack of toilets for women lawyers in Nilgiri's court complex in Tamil Nadu. Hajj pilgrimage, a religious practice protected by the Constitution, holds Delhi High Court. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. A vacation bench of the Supreme Court comprising Justices Aniruddha Bose and Rajesh Bindal agreed to hear the plea challenging grant of 15-day interim bail to Raghav Magunta, son of YSR Congress Party MP Magunta S. Reddy. The plea was filed against the interim bail granted by the Delhi High Court in the Excise Scam case after taking note of the submission that Raghav's mother-in-law was hospitalized. Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, appearing for the Enforcement Directorate, sought an urgent hearing in the matter and said that the regular bail was rejected and interim bail on ground of wife's sickness was also denied to the accused. The ASG also highlighted that now suddenly mother-in-law slips in bathroom and she is under observation. There is nothing serious. His father is an MP who can look after her. 3 siblings are there to take care, and despite that, the High Court has granted bail. Magunta was arrested by ED on February 10th in connection with the Delhi excise policy scam, in which Manish Sisodia, among others, is also accused. The case relates to irregularities committed while modifying the excise policy to extend undue favors to license holders. Justice M. Nagaprasanna of the Karnataka High Court quashed a criminal proceeding against former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa in the 2015 illegal denotification and allotment of sites case. The case relates to the denotification of land by the government and allotment of sites by the Bangalore Development Authority. The case was registered by the Lokayuk Police in 2015 based on the report of the Comptroller and Auditor General. The counsel for the veteran BJP leader submitted before the court that the same issue was covered in a judgment by a coordinate bench of the High Court between the same parties in 2016. The counsel also highlighted that the coordinate bench in 2016 had quashed 15 FIRs, holding that it is unrealistic to presume CAG report as a confidential document till it meets finality in the Parliament or the legislature. Justice Nagaprasanna quoted from the 2016 judgment stating, "The CAG report, wherefore since not available for judicial scrutiny, cannot be used as a foundation to build up a criminal case and cannot be made a part of investigation." The High Court, allowing the petition of Yediyurappa, quashed the proceedings in light of the issue standing covered by the coordinate bench. The Saket District Court in Delhi exempted the personal appearance of the Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena in the defamation suit filed by activist Medha Patkar. The LG had filed 2 applications, one seeking permanent exemption from appearance under Section 205 of CRPC, and the other application was filed seeking immunity under Article 361 of the Constitution of India that provides with protection of President and Governors and Raj Pramukhs from appearing personally. Metropolitan Magistrate Gaurav Dahiya noted that the accused in the present case is holding a public office of repute as LG of Delhi and thus looking after important constitutional duties, and counsel for the accused has submitted that the identity of the accused shall not be disputed at any stage, and he has further undertaken to appear regularly on each and every date. The court further said the accused is exempted from personal appearance through his counsel till further orders. Patkar and LG Saxena are contesting multiple cases at different courts in Ahmedabad and Delhi. 2 defamation cases filed by V.K. Saxena are also pending. Of the many cases, one case relates to the assault of activist Medha Patkar 21 years ago in 2002 at the Gandhi Ashram in Ahmedabad. The case was registered against 4 persons, including LG Saxena. In this 2002 case, an Ahmedabad magistrate court denied the plea by Delhi LG to stay the criminal proceedings while he is still in office. The chairperson of the National Commission for Women, Rekha Sharma, wrote a letter to the Registrar General of Madras High Court, seeking measures to address the long ongoing problems faced by women lawyers over lack of toilets in the Nilgiri Courts Complex in Ooty, Tamil Nadu. Ms. Sharma urged the Registrar General to take immediate cognizance of the matter and intervene to ensure that appropriate measures are taken to address the pressing issue. The complaint was filed by Mr. Aditya Kashyap, who highlighted the absence of toilet facilities for women lawyers in the court complex. The complaint also mentioned that while the complex boasts of several amenities and facilities, it shockingly lacks a designated toilet that women lawyers can access. Justice Chandradhari Singh of the Delhi High Court held that Hajj pilgrimage, along with other ceremonial duties and practices, falls within the ambit of religious practice and is protected by virtue of Article 25 of the Constitution of India. The observations were made by the High Court while hearing a batch of petitions filed by several Hajj group organizers, challenging the suspension of their registration as well as the quota for Hajj by the central government last month. The court stayed the decision of keeping the HGO's registration certificate and Hajj quota in abeyance till the finalization of proceedings in the matter, after the HGOs claimed the same was being done arbitrarily. The government apprised the court that it is contemplating serious action and blacklisting and cancellation of registration of HGOs due to non-compliance. The bench in this regard said that although restrictions can be imposed, but the same should not be held against the pilgrims who undertake the pilgrimage in good faith, and that there should not be a hurdle for the noble-intentioned citizens of this country seeking to undertake the Hajj. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.